Hi, I'm Grace, NewMed's product device specialist, and today I'm going to be showing you the CELLER8 full body mat package and how to use it. So the CELLER8 full body mat package is a home use device. It has a maximum intensity of 50 Gauss on the full body mat and 100 Gauss on the CELLER8. The whole system has a frequency range of 1 to 100 Hz. Included in your box will be your quick start guide, your magnet tester and its instructions. In this box you'll have your CELLER8, the pre-attached strap, your carry bag and your main supply. Inside this carry bag you'll have your full body mat. This device is designed to provide a full body session via the full body mat, whilst also allowing you to have a localised session with the CELLER8. Both applicators can be used simultaneously or separately. So the CELLER8 acts as not just the localised applicator, but it's also your controller. It has a rechargeable battery that can power the entire system. To charge the CELLER8, use the mains power supply and plug into the bottom left-hand port. You can also use your CELLER8 whilst it's being powered by the mains. If you're intending to use the mat as well, plug the cable into the bottom right-hand port. To begin, hold down the wheel until the CELLER8 screen illuminates. You will then be given the choice of 3 applications: controller, mat only, or mat and controller. In this example, we will be using the mat and controller by rotating the wheel until that option is highlighted and then clicking the wheel in. For selecting the other applications, the process is the same. You will then be asked to choose a program. The first 4 programs have preset frequencies that are ideal for the time of day or activity. There is also a custom program that allows you to select your own frequency between 1 and 100 Hz. So just like when we chose an application, rotate your wheel until your desired program is highlighted, and then click the wheel in. In this example, we're going to use the night mode. You will then be given the option to change your intensity or your session time. If you are in the custom mode, you'll be given the option as well to select your own frequency. So to change any of the variables, for example, your session time, rotate the wheel until that is highlighted and then click in. Then you just need to rotate the wheel until you've reached your desired session time. And to confirm this, just click the wheel in. So to begin your session, rotate the wheel until the start button is highlighted and then click in. Your session will now run down from the time displayed. If for any reason you need to pause your session, just click in to pause. And when you're ready to resume, just click in on resume. If you then need to stop your session, just click pause, highlight stop and click in. To turn off your system, just hold in the wheel until the screen goes black. If you have any questions about the products we've discussed today, please do not hesitate to contact us.